Aside from being a very good, smart, and an intelligent actor, Ibrahim Chatta has spent over 3 decades in the Nigerian movie industry. He is also very talented and skillful, in which one of his skills include the ability of being able to render praise poetry in Yoruba, which we know as Oriki. And this has given him the opportunity to be one of the voices behind the soundtrack of our forthcoming movie, Lisabi The Uprising, which should be premiered to Netflix by September 27. And here is the making of one of the soundtrack behind Lisabi by Ibrahim Chatta. Let's watch and enjoy. Before we move to that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do it by clicking on the red subscribe button to subscribe. Tap on the bell notification icon, set it to all so that you can get notified whenever I drop another video. Thank you. Bye for now.
Lékèlékè wá kì í ṣe yẹyẹ olùmọ̀nà wá kì í ṣe ẹyẹ òkùnkùn má fi ilé àwọn àṣepàdé o funfun láwọn lẹ́nu ilé àwo ọmọ Yorùbá wọn kì í ṣerú ẹ dìde o.